You see, the world as we've created it is a process of our thinking. We cannot change our world if we do not change our thinking. Igor, are you even listening to me? Look, if we're going to do this together, Igor, we've got to work together. You've got to support me. Do I have your support? It's so hard to find good help. No! Igor, get back! We have much work to do. No, we're not. Behave, Igor. You see, a new species would bless me as his creator and source. Yes, many happy and excellent natures would owe their being to me. We have great things to do, Igor. How'd that go? Reaches. That's good. Life to you, precious life. Igor! It's alive! It's alive! Hey guys, Wayne Stevenson here. Welcome to our second Filament Friday. Today's Filament Friday, I'm testing an Eryone glow-in-the-dark filament from Eryone, right there. Hope you can see that. This one is Eryone Glow Green. Let me see if you can you see that? At any rate, I purchased this off Amazon, came right away. Let's get on with my thoughts on this. To start with, I had some bed adhesion problems. I have a glass bed, which I usually cover with a nice layer of glue stick. And in this case, that didn't seem to help with it. So what I did to resolve that was I just increased the nozzle temperature on the first layer and everything went good. I imagine I could also increase the temperature of my bed a little bit as well. I would probably equally do the same thing. Second thing, I did have a bunch of failed prints getting started. Now, it didn't seem to clog my nozzle, but it did stop extruding filament. That's not normally common for my machine, but who knows? It is a Bowden tube, so this stuff is, I guess what I understand, a little bit more abrasive, so could have had a little bit of extra friction in the Bowden tube. Now, another thing that I understand about this filament is that it's got an additive that makes it a little bit more abrasive. I haven't printed enough with it to see the effects of that, but what I am told is that if you're doing a lot of printing with it, the abrasiveness is going to wear down your Bowden tubes. It's going to wear down your, possibly your gears. It's going to wear down your brass nozzle. So if you're doing lots of printing, I'm told you should switch to a steel nozzle, and then you're not going to have any issues with your nozzle wearing down on you. So other than those failed prints, I was able to get my first successful one here. I was printing this one only at 200 degrees. Everybody I've talked to has told me that they're printing in the 220, 230 degree range. So, you know, I did try at a higher level too. That's when I had those problems, so I decided to slow it down. I was getting lots of stringing at the higher temperature, so that's where I lowered my temperature to where I get this beautiful little beast right here. I got a lot more work to do on it, but my initial thoughts are, this is great. This is fun filament. I can make lots of glow-in-the-dark things, stars. I don't know. What do you do with glow-in-the-dark filament? Ghosts and stars. Halloween's just around the corner, so I'm sure I can do a lot of fun stuff with that. You know, Google it. You're going to find lots of fun things to do with glow-in-the-dark filament. I had no problems with this, other than the failed prints, of course, but you know, that's not uncommon. I haven't, you know, it's not common for me to have that happen on my printer. But with that said, I only started working with this. I am getting successful prints, and it's not clogging my nozzle. It's just not coming out. So it's not that it's getting stuck. I just got to find out why. So here are my final thoughts on this filament. It's fun. It's great. I can't see myself using a lot of glow-in-the-dark filament, but for its use, it's great. I'm gonna have fun with it. Halloween's around the corner, and you can always put glow-in-the-dark stars everywhere because they are fun. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it other than these ghosts I had in mind, but you know, I recommend it. If you're looking for glow-in-the-dark, I have nothing to compare it to, but this Eryone stuff was great. I do have some cool ideas for this that I'm going to have fun with. So my final thoughts, this stuff is pretty cool in the dark. Who's kidding who? You know, if you want it to shine brilliantly, just stick a light close up to it and then pow, it's great. Hold on a second, let me show you, even in daylight. So, you just charge that little bad boy up like that, boom. Give him a good healthy charge. I love this light. Got it like at the dollar store. I don't sell them anymore, but man, this thing has come in so handy. There it is, hang on. Shame I can't really zoom or focus properly. At any rate, it's fun stuff to play around with. If you got kids, you are going to be printing a ton of glow-in-the-dark stars. Everything you have in there is going to be glow-in-the-dark. Glow-in-the-dark moons, glow-in-the-dark earth. I don't know. Put glow-in-the-dark names, glow-in-the-dark flowers, glow-in-the-dark dinosaurs. Okay, after I get off here, I'm doing a glow-in-the-dark benchy. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Igor, look! He's alive! He's alive!
Wow. Igor? Come back. I didn't say cut. Come on, we just got this last scene to shoot.